Pinipili San Diego! Thank you so much, candidate. Candidate number 4. Right now, waiting for you namin ang mga our candidates. And of course, you will now also hold your hands together. Right now, the crowd, 125 first row up with Believer here on stage. With Sash, kasama po natin with Bryce D. Marcelino, our professional designer. Our bouquet from Mr. Juma Matar, maraming salamat po. And cash and check po from our honorable mayor, maraming salamat. Right now, and brilliant skin from our cash po na binibigay for our candidates. Maraming salamat. And now, I'll be calling the first runner-up. Again, we'll be calling the first runner-up. Our first runner-up for Binibining Morong 2026 is pero of course, partner, no? Kinakabahan ka ba?
Yes, kinakabahan ka ba, partner?
At syempre maraming salamat din po sa ating mga organizer. Palapakan po natin lahat po ng ating mga organizer tonight. For our sound and lights, sa lahat po, photographers, maraming salamat po for your hard work even at this time. At syempre po sa ating mga judges. Ang ating first runner-up is What's your bet? Isigawa yung bet! Our first runner-up is Binibining San Pedro! And our Binibining Morong 2026 is Binibining San Juan! Congratulations, our first runner-up, Binibining number 5, together with Sir Juma Matar and
The Binibining 2025 first runner-up.
of course our envelope with cash from Brilliant Skin. Maraming salamat po. Together with our first runner-up 2025. And of course, sa ating mga 2026 Binibining San Juan! Together with our 2025 Binibining Morong
Yes, Marte.
and our slash from Mount Dahlia Certeza.
And bouquet from Mr. Juma Matar.
Binibining Morong 2026! And of course, here on stage, our Binibini More Up 2026.